In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use 3D in Davinci Resolve. So you wanna enter Fusion for this because there's no way to do 3D in the edit page. I'm sorry, you can't do it. Let me first explain what image planes are. So how you pull them up is just right image plane and you just open it. Click one and you'll be able to see it. Hold Alt and you'll be able to turn around it. So what you can do to this is just connect whatever you have. So it could be like a random effect that you just made. So let's say we did something and there we have the image plane. It's both sided. I'm turning it around with holding Alt or Option. And that's it for importing an image plane. Now you can also add another image plane. You can merge them together. Let's say you had something else. Let me just make it red and orange. Connect it in the green one and there you have it, your new image plane. We're just switching between the two by clicking one. But to merge them together, you just do this and it will create another merge 3D. Or you can just create the merge 3D like this by shifting a space. Now you just connect them in whichever you'd like and there you go, they're now together. The thing is, they're at the same position. So select which one you'd like to move and you can just move it like this, or you can move it like this. This is the Z axis and it will move like this. The Y axis is moving it upwards and X is moving it sideways. Anyways, you can move through the 3D space by holding the middle mouse button and you can turn around, as I said. To set a new center point of your movement, notice how my center point is around here where I'm turning around. You can just press F and it will reset to whatever you have selected. You can zoom out by holding Control and there you go. You have the image planes. Now let me show you how you can use cameras. You just, while you have your Merge 3D selected so that it connects automatically, just add a camera and there you go. You already have a camera. Now to see what's happening with the camera, we need to add a renderer 3D. This is basically the end result of what we have. So click 2 on it so that you can see camera is here. So we need to move it back and there you go. You have your camera. You can move it upwards and you have this. You can move it even more back and there you have it. You can also add keyframes to everything. Like imagine you want to make this move and you just keyframe the x-axis, whatever, and just move it to the left and there you go. It has some movement. You can play with the splines the same way as you would with 2D. You can also animate the camera. So let's say you'd like to make a crazy animation. Let's say you want it to start here and just make it move around. We want to change everything, like start at frame 0, go at frame 50, go back, and you want to change like everything, the way the camera is looking. Let's just show you what I'm working with. Just move it around, rotate it a bit, you know, make it like this, whatever. You just adjust it and now you can just right click, play still with the splines, right click out cubic, and now it looks like crazy, you know. You have this movement with the camera. There's also something called 3D text. So pull it up by writing text 3D and you can just connect it in here. Just move it a bit so that you can see it and write something so that there is something. But as you can see that there's no actual depth to the text. How do you change this? Just go in extrusion and just bump this up, the extrusion depth. Now you have like a cool text. You can play like with the bevels. You can actually change this so that you can see it will just put a general light right now. We don't have any lights. I'll show you this later. But this will put like just a general light so that you can see what's going on. You can add like a bevel, just move the width and the depth and now you have something curved. Smoothing angle, make it really smooth and there you go, you have something. But you don't have the light still. So how do you play with lights? There are many lights, but I'll just show you the spotlight for now. Spotlight, write this, connect it in here and let's just move it. There we go. But you can see in the 3D space that it's lit up. But why isn't it lit up right here? Let me show you. Go in 3D and you need to turn on lighting and there you go, you have it lit up. By the way, for the image planes I have the lighting disabled, so for image planes lighting doesn't apply for me. You can change this right here to be affected by lights or not. Let's actually get a better camera position because this is just weird. Something like this. There we go. Now let me show you how you can add 3D shapes. So you just go shapes and you can choose whatever shape you'd like. So let's just choose a cube. There you go, you have a cube. You can move it around and turn it like this, change its color. You can also make it like a sphere. You can make it a cylinder. You can also add like a picture to whatever you're using. So let's say you have a sphere. You can connect this in the green one. And now you have some weird pre-workout image I just found. Let's zoom it out actually to see what we have. Now we have some weird pre-workout image that I just imported. But that's still cool. You can make this spin, whatever. By the way, if it doesn't fill up like the entire sphere image, you can just transform, zoom it in so that you can see it well. There you go. It's well lit now. I mean, it's well finished. You can change this into a cube and now you have a Minecraft pre-workout. And yeah, that's your beginner's 3D tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.